am Joanie Spencer, Editor-in-Chief of Commercial Baking, and I am here in Las Vegas at Pack Expo, and I am catching up with Jeb Sloan, Director of Process Engineering for Clif Bar. Jeb, thanks so much for joining me.
Yeah, you're welcome.
We're going to take a walk.
Let's do it.
So, as you are walking this enormous show floor that is like record-setting size, what's top of mind for you for process engineering at Clif Bar?
Yeah, for Pack Expo, it's always top of mind to make connections. Whether that's meeting up with folks that I've known for years and shaking their hands, or being introduced or finding new connections within this industry. It's really, it goes a long way when you encounter a problem or an issue or need to find some information and you know who to call. So
right.
with shows like this, and especially Pack Expo, what's always top of mind is the connections that we make.
So I like what you said about you know who to call. So you make those connections here, and then you know who to call. Here's these kinds of shows, that's where you find innovation, right?
That's right.
So you're not just like going to your contact list for the people that you just know, but you know who can innovate.
That's right. Yeah, and what else is top of mind at this show this year for me in particular is inspiration around innovation. So
I love that.
While I'm here looking for some specific things around equipment that can help with some efficiencies within our operations, I'm also just looking for some things that I might not even know that I'm looking for. And I'm looking for, where can I be inspired to go back to the team and present some ideas on what we might be able to do in the future.
Yeah, so a show like Pack Expo, I feel like, is a place for discovery, to find out what you don't know.
That's right.
And then you take it back, and that's how you innovate.
That's exactly right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I know you have a lot of square footage to cover, so I'm going to let you get back to it, but thanks so much for catching up with me.
You got it. Thank you.